How to buy crypto directly from BYD app. Are you guys facing issues to buy crypto in the BYDFi application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To buy crypto in the BYDFi application, open the app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now tap on Buy Crypto from the home screen or the Asset tabs. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy like USDT, BTC or Ethereum. Select Select your payment currency such as INR or USD and enter the amount you want to spend. Then choose a payment provider like Transact, Bankstar or Mercurial based on your region and preferences. You'll be redirected to the provider's secure checkout page. Complete KYC if required. Then use a bank card, UPI or other supported method to make the purchase. After the payment, the crypto will be delivered directly to your BYDFi wallet. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out other videos in this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna buy directly in the BYDFi application. Bye bye.